gonna die, we might as well have a video. What do you call them? Video record of it.
Video diary.
Yeah.
You know, if IHOP's closed, something's wrong.
Yeah, really. The hotel's got plenty of people in it. That's where we could go. McDonald's, they're closed, I guess. Yeah, they're closed.
Quick Trip's the only thing open.
Quick Trip is open.
They got fuel.
But they ain't got, we'll get fuel on the way back.
They got no food.
You okay on fuel, getting down there and back?
I went down there a couple times.
It's about 75-mile round trip total from my house to her house.
2.5 hours.
Yeah.
3 hours.
Yeah, at least. It don't take but 45 minutes.
On a dry road.
Yeah, on a dry road. Yeah. Starbucks. I ain't never seen them closed. Oh, look at there. Cracker Barrel's open.
It's 3 o'clock.
Till 3? Is that what it is?
On in order, we'll get it on the way back.
I wonder if them people live at that antique store. Oh, they live behind there in that brick house.
Mm-hmm. Used to be a chiropractor, isn't it?
No, he lives over here.
Oh.
Now there's 2 cars behind us, or one's going around the other one. That's what it was. It's an idiot going around somebody back behind us. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. Move around there.
He'll try to go around you here in just a minute.
I ain't gonna have
Huh?
him. I ain't gonna have him.
Yeah, let him go. If he wants to get over in that shit, let him go.
That's rough over there.
That's rough.
At 40.
Oh yeah, yeah. I imagine it is. It sticks on your tires, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This one's wide enough, it slings it out.
Yeah, I was trying to shovel my porch yesterday, and you give a scoop full of snow, and it wouldn't come out of your damn shovel. You had to beat it on the side of the porch to get it out of your shovel. I said, man, that's some cold stuff right there. Yeah, your mom said it was 4 below 0 yesterday morning. According to our deal, you know, it reads it saves a high and a low, and the high wasn't but like 17 or something like that for Monday.
The high was lower than the low.
Yeah, really. That's funny stuff. All right, just another balmy day in Texas, I guess.
Solid ice we're riding on.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, you ain't gonna stop, man.
Ain't touching nothing.
But you can go, yeah.
Man, ain't nobody coming out of there hardly.
You've been
Sliding.
mm-hmm. That's what it does.
Tore up.
They just want to go off or stop. Oh yeah. Well, he's going to Lindale.
Yep, hopefully.
That's good. Yeah, we hope. Yeah.
I sell them a lot of parts. Good
What's it telling you?
That dumbass. It said you're an idiot. Why are you out here?
This bitch has got everything, don't it? It's got all the bells and whistles here. And damn traction control's getting a workout, right? What? Nope. Yep. Dang.
This is a Texas edition. Why the hell are you?
Yeah. The hell is Texas doing with this? Good thing we got a Texas edition, I guess.
Oh, crap.
I'm dreading digging up that dang water meter. I don't know exactly where it's at. That's the bad part.
That's by our mailbox, isn't it?
No, it's over on the other side by about where she puts her trash can, outside the fence.
She can tell me a bit.
She might can.
Oh, I know where it's at.
I know about where it's at.
Yeah, I remember. It's right outside the fence with a double fence.
Yes. Right outside there.
Right past that tree.
Yes, it's got to be past the tree. Yes, so...
I remember we always wondered how that tree had grown roots in it then.
So I don't think we'll have a problem finding it, but if the electricity ain't on, well, either way we need to cut the water off, because if the electricity's on, she needs to go to Frank's anyway, because she ain't got no water.
Yeah. I don't know how he's got power. Holy crap.
I don't know, he may have a... No, he may have a... yeah, he may have a generator also, but can't think of what I was going to say now.
Welcome to my day. I don't know what I'm going to say.
Boy, it's been a long time since this place wasn't open.
Oh, man.
This Bolero ain't open.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I've never seen it close down.
Dairy Queen closed?
Well, yeah, I can figure that.
They said everything on this side of town's closed.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they were complaining on the news having to go across town to get food.
Yeah.
What lane am I in? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
What lane am I in?
Yeah. Somebody wants to go around it, they can hit that middle part if they need to.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Just temperature. Whatever you want.
Yeah, it feels good right now.
Yeah, I'm
My
sure.
left foot's warm, my right foot's cold.
Crossing. You gonna pull him?
No. They ain't stuck.
Oh, yeah, no, he ain't.
They ain't stuck. You got a problem.
Oh, dang.
I don't know that there is a lane here.
I'm probably in the middle.
You're close to the middle, yeah. But is somebody else going to pass you or trying to pass?
Nah. Somebody hit that pole right there. That light pole back there.
Oh, yeah.
Leaned over. Stop sign. Oh, stop sign by the house is laid down.
Oh, really?
Somebody hit it too. And it wasn't a bunch of idiots in a bedliner.
Yeah, as long as people stay out of your way and don't just run into you from the side, you just gotta watch for everybody. You can, and don't stop. You can kind of roll anywhere. You can do a two-wheel drive, go just about anywhere.
It ain't hit four-wheel drive yet.
No, it doesn't need it, right now. You start sliding when they go to four-wheel drive?
Oh yeah. It'll put me back in my lane without me doing anything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got sideways stability control.
Well, there's one with flasher on.
Started bringing chain just to pull people on the way back.
got over as far as he could. There ain't nobody in the car though.
Would be in it either.
They left that thing. I don't blame them there.
Let me pull you? No, can I just get a ride? It's on this. Good Lord. This ain't rough, dude.
Yep. You may have to go in for new shocks for it though.
That's your bag.
Airbag. Are they? On the back and front?
Yep.
Really?
Yep. I had to get to break the ice off the back motor to get it to kick on yesterday. All that driving around, I caked all the damn intake up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sitting like this.
What's the people coming?
No red light, man.
No red light or nothing. So you just gotta watch for everybody. You looking good?
That one ain't stopping. I don't think he gonna stop.
Yeah, he gonna make it.
Maybe. He's rolling pretty good. Yeah, so that don't stop closed either. Ever.
That donut shop?
Yeah, ever. They make some money there.
He may be running a little bit too slow. You can do, I mean, you ain't gotta be crazy about it, but you can roll pretty good.
26 miles an hour, that's my spot.
That's pretty good. That's your spot. Hail damage repair right there. That's just what we need.
Is that a what the hell?
What the hell damage? Yeah, I think it's a little
Smoother over there.
smoother over here.
Good
I
God.
could be wrong.
Ain't smooth anywhere.
It ain't smooth nowhere, that's right.
Well, we want to track. On track 31, you're going to go 155. Go that way.
155? No. 31. Yeah, most definitely.
I know it's closer, but
Don't see
Ain't nobody.
nothing coming.
the snow's so heavy, it's tripping the line.
Yeah.
Look at turn signal. That thing don't know what to do.
I think that's what it is.
Yeah, it's confused.
Yeah, that signal don't come on normally. That's a turnaround signal. Ain't even no road there. There's somebody walking.
Mm-hmm. I picked a few people up yesterday. Well, I saw
You
the car.
give them, yeah, you give them masks.
Yeah.
Where are they going? They're going up here to the eating joint, I guess. Maybe going to Super One or something.
Something called to see if it was open. Damn it, Dwight! I told you the damn place wasn't open.
They closed early.
He's down there with a bobcat cleaning the parking lot.
Oh yeah.
Pawn shop's open.
Better start slowing down.
Pawn shop's open.
That son of a bitch ain't open.
Yeah, he is too. He's there.
You reckon?
Yeah.
All right, lights green.
Super One's open. Brokers take care of people. They're gonna make sure they're open.
Uh-huh.
They got managers in their four-wheel drive driving around picking people up too if they need them. Employees.
Probably right. Walmart is closed.
Yeah, they can get anybody come to work for $7 an hour.
Walgreens, I believe they're closed.
It's open.
Yeah, it's open.
Oh, well, it's got power though. One of the doors is open. McDonald's is closed.
Aldi's is open.
Ah, they're German. They're used to the cold.
You're getting awful close to a curve over here,
Oh yeah.
just so you know.
This aisle open. Nope. This Whataburger ain't open either.
Uh-uh.
Dang.
Popeye's closed. Ain't nobody open that I see.
That's the first time I've seen Whataburger closed for 3 days.
IHOP. Ain't open.
No, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's 24 hours.
IHOP's don't put on Thanksgiving.
They ain't never been closed for 3 days.
I ain't never seen them closed.
They got a sign. They got a sign that says what hours of operation, all of them. Always here.
Always.
Behind the day.
From 12 a.m. to 12 a.m.
Yeah. City said to be on the Better Business Bureau, you have to have post an hours of operation sign. All of them.
Looking good, I believe.
You're four-wheel drive. Tell when it kicks in. Steering wheel gets stuck.
Oh, yeah. A four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
You would think. It sure looks like it's smoother over there.
It does. It also looks slick.
Yeah. Guess this guy here, I bet you he parked out here. I don't know. Well, it's closed for sure. I don't see nobody in the car. It amazed me when this stuff first started and I crossed this bridge down here the other day, and you know that boat launch over on the left side, there was not a place to put another vehicle. They had so many, and there was boats everywhere out there, and it was just starting to get really, really cold, you know, and it was like Saturday. Look at that. There's ice around the edge of the river. That's cold right there. In Texas, we don't get that cold.
Look at this idiot.
Yeah, he done caught you. We'll see him here in a minute.
I'm fixing to sideswipe my ass for a retard. Oh my. Two-wheel drive.
Yeah. Rock on, dude. We'll see you down the road there.
That's terrible.
Look at that creek there is completely frozen.
Holy crap.
I never seen a creek froze. Not here. I mean, I've seen it, but we were on Lake of the Pines one time, and it got down to 8 degrees. I remember that, and I was a kid. That's the lowest I ever remember. Yeah, that whole creek bed's frozen, solid.
Of course, that water don't generally move.
Yeah,
fast.
that's just setting water. But we went to run trot lines that night on Lake of the Pines.
Yeah.
And every time that the trot line would come up, we'd bait it, and it would come down, it would stick to the aluminum boat. And you'd have to nearly pry that thing off. So we had to hold it way out to pull it up and bait them, and then drop it back down into the, and we had to, you didn't really have to bust ice, but there was ice all around the edge of the lake. Chandler Community Center. I wonder if that's where you go to get warm. You reckon?
They said they were going to be open.
Got something going in back in
It's
the
the
back.
only kids always left.
Oh, really?
Right.
Oh, really? This one down here on the lake ain't on the 315 ain't his?
Sold all of them.
He sold this one down there by his ranch?
Maybe not.
No, I bet that's still his.
That's the only one that I know of left.
Yeah.
What cracks me up is Bush's chicken that's everywhere that popped up and disappeared overnight.
Yeah. Well, they had the same chicken as Chicken Express. The same,
Different drugs.
same exact chicken. I mean, but in the.
Crap down here.
All right, I'm gonna have to stop recording, I think. So,
It's get interesting.
I guess that's it for now. I think I'm about to run out of room on this camera. Alright, let's see if this water burger's over. Let's start later. Look at that, whole lake is frozen. I've never seen Lake Palestine frozen.
Just that small town right there.
That's where the river is.
Where the original river was.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, here's where the river is, the little channel is, and it's not frozen right up under there because it's running. But everything else, man, I bet the fish are biting.
Yeah. Bet they're hungry.
They ain't getting fed today.
It's just thawed out right around where the trees and vegetation are.
Yeah, yeah.
That's crazy.
That is amazing.
That I've never seen.
I ain't never seen that.
And there's the other old creek right there.
Not my 65 years. Yeah, here's the other creek. You can see,
Look at this.
this is the old Nature's River. Yeah, I know it. That's just solid ice.
Have mercy. As far as you can see.
As far as you can see, solid ice.
Man.
That is tough for Texas. Like I say, oh, look at there. There's
Crane?
tracks across there. Like something's been walking out in there.
There has been.
Like a dog or a
Deer.
or a wolf. It ain't a deer, because a deer would come through that junk. It can't be thick enough for a deer. I wouldn't think.
Cows.
Yeah, see, there's some tracks right there.
That's a lot of tracks. That's like hogs.
Something.
A group or something.
There's a group of something.
Well, whatever was stuck on this side of the bridge is now we're able to go wherever.
Now they can go. Alright. So much for our bridge fiasco, I think. Now,
See you at bridge too.
yeah, see you at bridge too, that's right. Alright, I'm gonna shut this thing down for the moment.
All vehicles, that one shouldn't be.
That one, he ran off in the dang ditch though, didn't he?
You ready?
I don't know why not. I think we can beat them. The little truck.
I'd rather be in that than a rear-wheel drive Cadillac.
What time did we leave, you know?
About 12:37.
What time is it now?
1:47. Hour and 10 minutes.
About an hour, some odd. A little over an hour.
I can't believe that ain't froze.
I can't believe it ain't froze on this side.
Even the edges.
Yeah. Because it's a bigger area, it's got a lot more wind, so a white cap.
That's true.
And throws it. So
Pretty slushy.
yeah, it's probably slushy around the edges. That's a heck of a bridge right there to be on.
I was on that Enduro Yamaha 400, and I had it going as fast as it could go across this bridge.
Oh yeah.
I hate this bridge, and I was on two wheels, and people come across all the time. And man, I was just scared to be on it. I was just booking it, man. And I thought I was going fast until a truck passed me.
Yeah.
It was just wrapped out.
That's where Uncle Bobby and them used to live, right over there.
I can see the pier.
One of these houses.
Right there. You see the big pier and the little pier that's
Next to it? Yeah, yeah.
That's his. To the right of that is his house.
Yeah, one of them.
Yeah, to the
Yep.
right of between that boathouse and that
Yep.
two deal, that's his house.
Yep.
Was his house. It's, what you call it now?
Bobby Gales.
There. I only know because I lived over here for so long. I drove a paddle boat up to their dock. And I drove from the other side of the cove all the way around here.
That sleet hitting it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That finally melted. I broke all the ice age running board over there. When we were at Nanny's. It was bad.
Yeah. Well, made it across the big bridge. See if we can get back to Lindale.
I wonder how thick that ice is on that guardrail.
I don't know, it's pretty thick, I'm mad.
$20 and stick my tongue to it.
You better have something warm in your hands, all I gotta say.
Trying to spit.
Yeah. That little old river's still thawed, and that's it.
But that's some cold water right there.
That's some cold water. Well, I think we just about made it over our second bridge. I don't want to speak too soon.
Fake wood.
Knock on the fake wood. Alright. Alright, waiting here at Brookshire's. Chris is going in to see if they got any water. I'd be willing to bet that they don't. We're still in Chandler. Still got to go to Tyler and then Lindale. Yeah. That's our journey, I guess. We don't have Nanny. She didn't want to come, but we did get her down to Frank's house. He's got a fireplace and he's got water, so I guess that's all we can do for her for the moment. She didn't, like I said, she didn't want to go anywhere, but we couldn't leave her there in the dark, with no heat, no water. Anyway, that's part of our journey. Maybe we'll get back to Lindale directly. I guess that's it for now. Well, we're getting close to being back to, we've been through Tyler and getting close to being back into Lindale. I bet our donut shop ain't open, is it?
They're probably sleeping there.
Yeah. If that was him, that's where I'd be. He's the only one who works there. I've never seen anybody else there.
You're right. I never seen anybody else.
I asked him, I said, I asked him one day, you work all day, every day? Every day. I said, oh, okay. They gonna stop. They gonna stop, man.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it stopping.
I can't do it.
The black folks, they're gonna get pulled over for that.
You need to get back over off this shit.
I'm in a groove.
Yeah.
In a good groove.
Not a good groove, but a groove.
Oh, yeah. I love that shit.
Yeah, he's wanting to pay. He's gonna go back around you. You pissed him off because he went around you.
I ain't stopping at a fucking red light when there ain't nobody there.
Still pissed him off.
Forward there.
Mm-hmm.
I create somebody a good path.
He's not open and his car is gone.
I like that. It's fun.
Coming back into Lindale.
Transmission 142 degrees. It's good. And tell me everything. I ain't kidding you. Tell me fuel mixture ratio.
Pandora? What is Pandora? Music?
Satellite.
It's got a light.
Chick-fil-A ain't open.
No, there ain't much open there. Cracker Barrel got cars. I don't know if they're open.
They might be. Call them and see.
Alright, coming back into Lindale, Minneota. Alright, stopped here at this new Quick Trip. Get some gas. We're back in Lindale, so we don't like too much further. Just notice up here on the interstate, trucks going by real slow, but they're going. Traffic on the interstate still going. It's just truck drivers look like. I don't see a whole lot of cars. Them trucks is going through. They're going through pretty quick too. And how do the birds survive out in this stuff? They do though. Well, here's the last of our trip. And yeah, there ain't nobody hardly been down through here since it started snowing. She's got lights, so that means we still got lights. Close enough, Bo.
Hey.
I appreciate you, Bo.